lower. Yeah, all right, cool. So it's your boy Coach K. We back with another one. By the way, disclaimer, your boy just ain't got glasses on today, so I'm not tired. I just can't see. We gonna do 20 of these. One of my favorites when it come down to abs. If you been watching videos, you already know. Stay doing these. So one thing about this, when you're doing these, don't tuck the knees all the way down. Chase the ab contraction. Also make sure the seat adjustment is not too low, not too high, because it'll add extra tension to the lower back. We about to go on superset with push-ups. Do nice 20 of these. By the way, when you do push-ups, look at that leveling. Everything nice and level. A lot of people like to always say push-ups is just for chest, but push-ups is actually a full body workout. Mainly if your body's nice and level like this, all the way down, here, all the way up. Not this. That's applying tension to the lower back. Not this, all right? Remember that. It's Rube's go, let's get it. Rube thought I was tired. I ain't seen you, D, without glasses. Rube used to the shades, y'all. So like I said, we going 20 of these, then we going into the 20 push-ups. You can be explosive, ain't nothing wrong with that. Abs nice and tight. Remember, catch when you draw back on the abs. When you bring the knees, the elbows to the knees, make sure you do me a favor, squeeze those abs. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, all the way down. 4, 5, there we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, all the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, all the way down, all the way up. Good work. Great work. So when we do these two, the push-ups, make sure you lock out at the top. I don't want y'all love doing these no reps. Call these no reps, because you ain't no reps. First of all, second of all, push-ups, mainly body weight, isn't something you should be cheating anyway. That's one exercise you don't need to cheat. Full range of motion the whole way. Ain't no way around that. So like I said, this is the last set, because we didn't record the first two. It was 2 sets, right? Yeah, we didn't record the first 2 sets. So this right here gonna be the last set of this. Remember, 20. Also, disclaimer. Make sure y'all stop throwing like 55 pounds on it. You don't really need a lot of weight in order to really get sculpted abs. Remember, abs is within reducing that body fat. If you want abs, you need low body fat. Not just doing a bunch of ab exercises. Butter. So remember, when you first working out, you need to be over aggressive with your exercise selection. Everything should be nice and settled to prep your body for what's next. When we get into the middle of the training session or towards the end, then you can do all the tricks and all that other wild stuff. But to start off, me personally, I don't know if you noticed, I'm actually a little bit more explosive, mainly the first 2 exercises, because we still warming up the body. Let's get it. Let's get it.